Good morning, students. We have already discussed the outline of the story of the play As You Like It. Today, I will read out the play's story as documented in Lamb's Tales from Shakespeare. Now, the young student will notice that the tale omits some of the characters of the play. Example, Yarks, Touchstone and Audrey, Sylvius and Phoebe. It does not profess to follow the play with minute accuracy, but gives a most vivid and a true sketch of events. The tale retains much of the original language, and a good many of the difficult words in it are explained in the notes. The Duke, who was thus driven from his dominions, retired with a few faithful followers to the forest of Arden. And here the good Duke lived with his loving friends, who had put themselves into a voluntary exile for his sake. While their land and revenues enriched the false usurper, and custom soon made the life of careless ease they led here more sweet to them than the pomp and uneasy splendor of a courtier's life. It means that the people who had accompanied the Duke in the forest of Arden were actually enjoying this simple ascetic life. Here they lived like the old Robin Hood of England, and to this forest many noble youths daily resorted from the court and did fleet the time carelessly, as they did who lived in the golden age. In the summer they lay along under the fine shade of the large forest trees, marking the playful sports of the wild deer. And so fond were they of these poor dappled fools, who seemed to be the native inhabitants of the forest, that it grieved them to be forced to kill them to supply themselves with venison of their food. When the cold winds of winter made the Duke feel the change of his adverse fortune, he would endure it patiently and say, "These chilling winds which blow upon my body are true counsellors. They do not flatter, but represent truly to me my condition. And though they bite sharply, their tooth is nothing like so keen as that of unkindness and ingratitude. I find that howsoever men speak against adversity, yet some sweet uses are to be extracted from it, like the jewel, precious for medicine, which is taken from the head of the venomous and despised toad. In this manner did the patient Duke draw a useful moral from everything that he saw, and, by the help of this moralizing turn in that life of his, remote from public haunts, he could find tongues in trees, books in running brooks, sermons in stones, and good in everything. Now, this is a quotation taken originally from the play. So here I would like to give you an assignment. The assignment is an expansion of the last three lines of this paragraph, and I would like you to explain these lines in your own words as much as possible. So you begin from, he could find tongues in trees, books in running brooks, sermons in stones, and good in everything. So try and make an expansion of these lines in 1 or 1.5 pages, not more than 150 words. And then you can do a peer correction, that is a group of students you could get together, each one of you could write the assignment, and then you could interchange your assignments, and the other will check your assignment and you will check the assignment of your peer. So this is the exercise for you, and we continue with Lamb's tale of As You Like It in the next class. Thank you.